Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nokia 9 PureView. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and here in the top search find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can see the introduction about this browser. You can learn some interesting features, but I'm gonna skip it. Now we can customize a homepage with your own wallpaper, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Then sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And lastly, accept or disagree with the data sharing preference. Click on confirm, and now the browser is ready. We can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.